Hello there, brethren. I bring you greetings from our Lord Jesus Christ and Casa UEW as we present Joy Mega Harvest 2021. It is happening this Sunday, 7th March 2021 at the Lecture Theatre 7, opposite French Block, South Campus. Time 7:30 a.m. Guest speaker, Elder Kofi Agyemang. Come and enjoy the total power of God, and your life will never be the same. We hope to see you there. Casa with a strong vision.